So good day, Mr. Obee.
Hello.
I'm so pleased to see you here in our school as with your presentation. And I'm Perizat, and I'm an English teacher here, and I'm an interviewer for a while. Could you tell about your impression of today's event? Your seminar.
Well, it's a very impressive school. When you approach from the outside, it's a beautiful school. And then when you walk in, and there's a band playing, beautiful band, beautiful Kazakh band, and you get a bowl of camel milk, which is absolutely fantastic, and the best borsak I've ever had in my life.
Right.
So that was really good. And then I get a tour of the museum.
What about this taste of shubat?
The shupat. Oh, I think that's good. I think it's good. It's like nothing else. It's not like anything you can compare, but it's very, very nice.
Yes, it's very healthy and full of vitamins.
Yeah, okay, which I need.
All right, thank you.
I need.
And please, your motivational wish for our teachers and students to become creative and prosperous.
Well, I just hope that your teachers can maintain this level of enthusiasm they have, because they're clearly hugely enthusiastic for English language and English culture, and it really shows. And if they can maintain that, the children are lucky children to have them.
That's cool. All right. And the last one, so your further plans or steps in educational sphere related to Kazakhstan?
Okay, well, I've been involved with Kazakhstan for many years. I advised the government when they were changing their English language curriculum, and I was part of that project with Cambridge University. And since then, I've written many books for Kazakhstan, which have been used throughout the schools. And I hope very much to continue to do that into the future and be involved in this wonderful project that you have, this trilingual project that you have in Kazakhstan. Very much want to stay involved with it.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Good luck.